Alright guys, today I will teach us how to easily earn on Timebox. Timebox is a survey app or website that Nigerians can earn from. Yes, you heard me right. You know, other surveys, they will tell you that as a Nigerian, you're not qualified. But this Timebox, I would like to say, is mainly for Nigerians. You will earn. And if you're looking for a side income where you'll be getting small dollars, where you'll be getting some money, then Timebox is for you. It's very easy to navigate. After this video, you will see the link in the comment section. So let me navigate how to use this Timebox. Go to this place now. Go to that place, click on it. You will see dashboard, earnings, referral earnings, earn, advertise, and others. Sorry. Then let's go to earn. That's where you will see where you can do your survey, clicks, and others. That's where you earn. You see this Timebox, if you pay attention to it, you'll be cashing out every week. The payment is every Thursday. Every Thursday, you will cash out once you reach minimum of $5. So these are all these surveys, content, tasks, refer, jackpot, overalls. That's where you earn daily. So in this content, when you click on it, you see clicks. When you go there, read all these things before clicking. When you click on this view, it will take you to this website. You wait there for this 5 seconds. 5 seconds. You wait till 5 seconds. You see the thing will ring. Kim, you know that you have successfully done this campaign. So you go back. You earn 0.001 and you will be picking those money small every day. Then you can also go to task. Go to task. You check whether task is available. So today there are tasks. Before you do any task, check the completion percentage. See this one now. Completion percentage is 100%. Then you can be able to do it. But you see those ones that the completion percentage is very poor, please avoid them. As in, avoid them. Do all these tasks. When you do it, you accumulate. And another one is this one that is new. Rush to it. This one that is written new, rush to it. As in, they will give you better thing. And make sure you complete every survey, every task, to avoid being disqualified. And be truthful on this Timebox. If not, they will disqualify you. So let's go to surveys. Surveys are where you can be getting $1, $2 up from every survey you do. See all this survey. When you click on it, you check the one that is available for you. Sometimes they will tell you, oops, you are disqualified. Don't give up, keep checking. So you will be doing all this thing will take you highest 30 minutes in a day. You finish up, and you in a day you might be getting $2 to $3. Before Thursday, you will cash out. It's just a side hustle. So it's very easy. If you are still confused on how to navigate, don't forget to ask question in the comment section. I'll be there to respond. I will be there to answer you. Also check the link in the comment section. I will drop the link for you. This is perfect way to earn small dollars online as a side hustle. It doesn't take much time from you. You do all the tasks and cash out every Thursday. Isn't that mind-blowing? Oh yeah, get to work. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to share, like, comment, and please subscribe. Thank you.